Just barely get on it.
And I can't hammer. I got to go about quarter throttle when I take off.
Because if you hammer, it's just...
Yeah, it'll
you
go
won't hook up,
sideways.
it'll just be... Jesus.
I'm like
this thing's
really nervous about cops when I'm in this thing.
Oh, I bet. Jeez, you're spinning in this freaking thing. This thing sounds awesome.
I got all putting this shit in the back seat. I just went out and filmed a flyover.
Oh, did you really?
120 miles an hour.
You're
Had my
crazy.
GoPro set up on here.
You're crazy.
I had to film an intro for my YouTube channel for this car. I don't have an intro for it yet.
Dude, this thing is sick.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Dude, none of the other Challengers are like this or anything, are they? Like with the center console or not? They're all, this is all custom. Because I don't think the handles are like that or they're different on the other. Take me for running this thing. You got time?
Yeah.
Dude, this
I gotta
thing
change
is
the-
awesome.
I gotta change the battery in my remote start.
Oh, and you probably get so many freaking looks too with the black hood and everything.
I don't take this out. I've only had it out. I've only had it for 2.5 weeks now.
Oh, really? Damn, you just got it.
But I
then.
take it out and I drive it and it goes right back into the storage unit.
75 grand.
I got he had the original window.
Plus this one's all optioned out and everything.
Yeah, it's maxed out on the options.
Dude, that looks freaking awesome with
And,
that freaking hood.
Yeah.
Dude, the only thing I'd say is you gotta get some tin on here.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it next year when it's warmer out so it cures.
Yeah, so it cures.
Fucker, better stop. This thing is
Insane.
fucking insane, dude.
707 horse.
It draws a lot of attention when you get on it because
It's just all over.
I mean, dude, I took you for a ride in that Daytona.
Yeah.
And the red one, but the Daytona was.
I thought the Daytona
We
was
come out
crazy,
here and
man.
got on it.
Yeah, I thought the Daytona was crazy.
Just wait to check this out. I'm gonna turn around. I'll get on it right here. Just gotta make sure there's no fucking cops because this thing hits 100 like that.
Are you kidding me? Just without even freaking, just barely get on it.
And I can't hammer. I gotta go about quarter throttle when I take off.
Because if you hammer, it's just,
Yeah, it'll
you
go
won't hook up, it'll
sideways.
just be. Jesus.
I'm like
this thing's
really nervous about cops when I'm in this thing.
Oh, I bet. Jeez, you're just spinning in this freaking thing. Holy crap, you're just spinning in this freaking thing.
I know.
You can feel the tires spinning. Jeez, you're just spinning in this freaking thing. Holy crap, you're just spinning in this freaking thing.
I know.
You can feel the tires spinning.
Yeah,
Can
when
you even hook on these things because they're not drag radials?
I can't.
It just lights them
I
up.
gotta just ease into it, man.
It just lights them up the whole time.
Yeah.
That's freaking
I can
crazy.
be cruising down the highway at 70 and punch it and spin them.
No way.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Dude, that 707's no joke.
Yeah.
It's got paddle shifters too, huh?
Oh yeah.
Do you think your other one didn't have that though, did it? The Daytona?
No, the Daytona was too early.
Uh-huh.
But the red one does.
The red one does?
Yeah.
Now, is it better? Do you like better keep it in auto mode or in
It's hard to control with the paddle shifters.
Is it really?
Yeah, I'll show you. I'm not gonna get on it because it's just out of control. We'll go back down that way real quick.
They gotta even drive it. What's that? Is that launch control on there?
Yeah, it's got launch control, but
Of
course it doesn't work.
Yeah, it doesn't work with freaking tires like this.
I mean, especially if you go up, you know, I think it starts out at 1200 RPMs.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What's that SRT button, I wonder?
That's for I can go to defaults 500 horsepower,
Uh-huh.
and then you can customize everything. Sport mode is
Shit, it shows you everything, your motor and all that.
sport mode goes to
Holy
700.
shit.
Defaults, the black key is 500 horsepower.
Oh, then it says paddle shifters on or paddle shifters off when
Yeah.
you put it in.
Should say.
You see that freaking speedometer just
Yeah.
freaking jumped up to 60 like that.
I didn't even have a chance to shift.
Mhm.
I think I hit about $4,000.
God, you probably hit 60 in first gear in this freaking thing.
Oh yeah.
First or second gear.
It's got that torque flight 8-speed transmission.
Uh-huh.
It shifts 8 times. Yep.
I think that's the newest. Is that the newest
Yeah.
Mopar transmission, at 8-speed that they had?
Yeah. This is track. This is just fucking crazy. I can't.
Jesus, it's fucking burning the tires still. You're going 50, I was lighting them up.
This is track. This is just fucking crazy. I can't.
Jesus, it's fucking burning the tires still. You're going 50, I was lighting them up.
I burned the tires in track mode till about 80 miles per hour.
Oh my God. Do you think you'll take this out to track or anything
Oh
like
yeah.
that?
Next year.
You didn't do that to your other ones, did you?
No, I wanted to take the green one, but I ran out of time.
Dude, what are you going to do for your shows next year? Because vehicles are freaking big. And I actually like this color. I think you could do some cool tire stickers with like this color in there too.
Yeah.
You wouldn't see that. You've never seen that at all. If you do, you know, you name it. What are you going to name it? Have you named anything?
Big Hurt.
Big Hurt. You could do Big Hurt on the tire stickers with the 2 blue slashes.
Yeah.
That'd be badass.
That's what I'm gonna get a license plate that says Big Hurt.
Yeah, that'd be badass.
But this thing, I gotta get drag radials on it, dude. There ain't no fucking way I can.
Oh, there's no way you're hooking up with
I can race it. I tried to race the Corvette on the way here, and the fucker didn't want nothing.
Really? You should pull up over here. I'll grab Mike. He'll definitely want to see this. Watch your front end so you don't smack it on that deal. We actually took over this bay now too.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, we're gonna put in a full paint system and paint booth and all that stuff. Dude, this thing's bad, bro. Congrats, man.
Yeah,
this
it's
thing's
pretty
really
crazy.
bad. Wow.
Sunroof.
You're gonna keep this thing forever, though, aren't
Oh,
you?
fuck yeah.
Like a Hellcat.